English Belarusian. How much does cost equals
Колькі коштує?
shopping phrase. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the English Belarusian price question. How much does cost? That's
Колькі коштує?
keep your wallet smiling and your shopping smooth. Your goal today. You'll learn one power phrase plus 5 must-know money words. Main phrase. How much does cost?
Колькі коштує?
Variant. How much is it?
Колькі гэта коштує?
Price.
Цана.
Expensive.
Дорогі.
Cheap.
Даний.
Money.
Гроші.
To buy. Phrase spotlight.
Колькі коштує?
Say it with curiosity and a smile. Your best discount is your vibe. Slow.
Колькі коштує?
Rhythm trick. Clap clap, pause, clap.
Колькі коштує?
Bonus. If something is free, say.
Гэта нічого не коштує.
Mini dialogue at the market. Imagine you pointing at a basket of berries with confident charm. You, excuse me, how much does this cost?
Вибачайте, колькі гэта коштує?
Vendor. The price is 5 rubles.
Цана 5 рублів.
You, a bit expensive.
Криху дорогі.
Vendor. Today we have a cheap offer.
Сьогодні у нас танний варіант.
You, great, I'll buy it.
Видатно, буду куплять.
Vocabulary power-ups. Repeat after me, short, punchy, useful. Price.
Цана.
Expensive.
Дорогі.
Cheap.
Даний.
Money.
Гроші.
To buy. Pronunciation beat. Clap it in. Let's lock the rhythm into your memory with a tiny groove. Beat. Ta-ta, ta-ta, say.
Колькі коштує?
Whisper, then normal.
Колькі коштує? Колькі коштує?
Add the item. This bread.
Колькі коштує гэты хлеб?
Culture tip. Market manners. A smile is universal, and Belarusian vendors appreciate it. Start with a friendly nod, point gently, and ask.
Колькі коштує?
In places like Komarovsky Market, clear phrases and a warm tone can turn a regular price into a friendly deal. Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud. No one is judging except your very proud future self. Q1. How do you ask, how much does cost?
Колькі коштує?
Q2. What's price in Belarusian?
Цана.
Q3. Say, expensive and cheap.
Дорогі. Даний.
Q4. The word for money.
Гроші.
Q5. The verb to buy. Challenge. Bargain like a legend. Role play time. Your mission. Save your rashi with style. You.
Вибачайте, колькі коштує гэтая хустка?
Excuse me, how much is this scarf? If it's too expensive.
Гэта криху дорогі. Ці ёсць зніжка?
Push for final price.
Якая апошняя ціна?
Seal the deal.
Дамо, буду куплять.
Fun moment. The magic wallet. A tiny joke to lock the phrase forever. Imagine a wallet that only opens when it hears.
Колькі каштує?
If you forget, it just pouts and says, "Try again, shopper." Wrap up and next steps. Nice work, your shopping superpower is unlocked. Today you mastered
Колькі каштує?
plus
Цана, дорогі, дані, гроші.
and. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share a smile at the market, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons.